Hi everyone. Today we would be looking at another platform where we can search for jobs. So in the previous video, we looked at the civil service portal. But today we will be looking at another portal which also uh, which is also good for searching for job, particularly in the UK. This portal is referred to as find a job. So, as we always do, we learn by doing. Um, on the Google search space, we type find a job. Then it's also this particular website is also hosted on the gov.uk website. You can see the first um on output here. The first result here says find a job. Click on find a job. It takes you to the gov.uk website, which I said it's also hosting this platform. So find a job, click start now. So you can either create an account or sign over here. So let me sign since I've got account. Okay, already have account with uh, on this website, registered on this website, so I can easily sign to the website. So what have you got in the home page? In the home page, we've got search for jobs button. We've also got your activity, your CVs, your email alerts, search for jobs first. So here, this is where you can search for jobs. You can filter uh, um, um, to suit your preference. So for instance, if I'm saying looking for customer service role, customer service, okay, it's already showing customer service role. This is in the UK. Let me say Bristol. So you can see Bristol Southwest. Let's just pick one of this location, and then we can as well use the advanced search button. Let's use the advanced search button. Say minimum salary 20, maximum 30. Then you want a permanent role, you can filter that. Then what else do you want? Full-time or part-time? Let's say full-time, and then let's search. So we've got 5,536 result from our search. We can as well still do better to tailor to reduce those number to meet our preference. So for instance, if I say hybrid remote, if I click on hybrid remote, you can see it's reduced that to 91 permanent full-time hybrid remote jobs. But this is still in the UK, showing UK. Let's go back, say Bristol, South England. Search. Yeah, we've got 2,315 jobs in Bristol. Then for hybrid in Bristol, 101 hybrid jobs in Bristol. So here at the left hand side on my screen, you can as well see some other town under Bristol. Sadville, Redcliffe, St. Augustine's. You can filter based on your town in Bristol. Then we can also filter based on time of posting, of these jobs. So probably you want to filter recent posts, say 14 days, since 14 days. Then now we've got 81 hybrid remote jobs, as opposed to the 101 that we've got before. So the more you filter, the more you get a more nuanced and more tailored uh, job search to meet your preferences. So um it's also a good practice to create alerts. So for instance, if I want to create alert for this search so that I can um get updates as to whenever jobs are advertised on this find a job platform, I can create, you see the button create an email alert. So when you create this alert, and subsequently you get notified whenever new jobs are being added. So you can see now on the screen a new job alert has been created and emails will be sent to this email address. You will start to receive alerts every day. We find new ads that match your request. So that means you are on the go. I'm always an advocate for setting email alerts so that even while you know uh, not actively searching on the website, you can always get emails that direct you to new addition on the website. So aside from that, other feature is that uh, we uh, we can use on this platform is the saved button, which is also um, uh, one of the tools for for searching. For instance, maybe you are on the go and you quickly skim through this website, then you want to save some important rules so that when you are free, you can then go back to your saved or bookmarked portal to check those roles that you've already, you know, highlighted or, pinned down. We've got senior commercial lawyer role, commercial lawyer role, cost intelligence team leader role. So maybe I'm interested in any of these lecturer, senior lecturer in strength and conditioning. Let me save this. You click on the love button, then senior lecturer in mental health nursing, save this. Technical officer forestry, you save this. And then let's go back to our search and search for maybe project management. Project management. Project management. Let's just say the UK generally. UK search. You see project management jobs in the UK 2,852. Then let's filter. We want hybrid, remote. So it has reduced that to 499 hybrid remote project manager jobs in the UK. So let's go to the left hand side. As I said, probably if you list, you can just scroll through and see which location fits you better. Maybe you reside in Midlands. Let's filter using Midlands. So now we've got 49 hybrid remote project manager jobs in West Midlands. So what other filter buttons can we use? Okay, maybe you want jobs that have posted in the last 30 days. Click on last 30 days, still 49. And then you want to set salary range 30 to say £50. Apply. That has been reduced to 7. And then if you want to consider, maybe there's a specific sector that you want to focus. So for education and childcare, you've got 3. Engineering jobs, we've got 2. Project management role, others and general, we've got 1. Social work jobs, we've got 1. So if you want engineering project management under the engineering sector, you click on engineer jobs. Now that's reduced that to 2. So that this is now well refined and tailored to your preferences. And then now you can now save these, for for future purposes, and probably you are currently not chanced to read through the website. You just click on save, and then let's click on save. So these are some of the this is quantity survey, but definitely they, they are also in need of project management skills. This also says quantity survey. Yeah, they also are in need of project management skills. So um now let's go check some of our saved roles. Go back to find a job, your account, go to your favorite jobs. So then now you can see all those jobs that we've saved: quantity surveyor, water quantity surveyor, technical officer, senior lecturer, you know, in mental health, senior lecturer and senior lecturer in strength. And so this gives you more, time to have a read through and then filter to meet your desired job role, and then apply to them as soon as possible. So let's go back to findajob.com. This is the home page. As I said, go to your account, your CV. It's a good practice that you upload your CV on in this portal, and then if you need more advice on how to structure your CV, there's a button here highlighted as Job Help, National Career Service England, My World of Work Scotland, or Careers in Wales. So you can kind of explore all these options and see how you can benefit from what they've got to offer. So let's go back to your account. Here, your activity, you can use this section of the website to look at your activities, your search. So we've searched for project management roles. So should in case you want to reuse those search, you can easily click on them and then you reuse those search. You see all jobs in the UK, customer service jobs. So this is kind of tracking our search on the website. So applications, if you've submitted any application and you want to review them, you can view them here. So let's go back to your account. Then your email alerts, you can see them here. So we've set a daily email alert here that's gone live. So as I said, you continue to receive those email alerts, so that you are better informed about jobs as they come through the website. Then I think those are the most important thing about this particular platform. It's a good platform while looking for a job in the UK. It's a good practice that you check on this platform. Yeah, in complementary to the civil service job platform. So yeah, have a look at these, explore this website, and I hope you find value using the Find a Job website in getting your desired role. So until next time, do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Olufemi Adesina. Bye.